All right, y'all. So before you ask an entrepreneur for a major discount, for something free, or question why we charge what we charge, I need you to see what we got to pay for in order to create what it is that you want. Here you go. This, my friends, is called a light switch. And when you do this, it turns on the lights. I have to pay for that. That, my friends, is called an outlet. And what I do with this handy dandy thing is I plug the heat press into this in order to power it on, heat it up in order to press your items. So we gotta pay for that. This, my friends, is a faucet. What comes out of here is water, agua. When you turn this on, check that out. I have to pay for that too. All right, these are the heat presses. I use these to press on to your garments. Oh, I gotta eat too. So I gotta keep my refrigerator full for my son and I. That costs. Of course, we have to have our Wonder Bread and our foods and our oranges. Oh yeah, and Clorox wipes to disinfect the pantry. I gotta keep the pantry full. Don't laugh at what I'm eating, but I just gotta keep it full. I can't buy these things if I don't charge though. Yes, we all need medicine. This is my medicine cabinet. Not the beneficial. Anyway, multi-purpose, Tylenol, gummies. Oh yeah, asthma. I gotta have my asthma pump. And I have bad allergies. Gotta have my Claritin. Yeah, sometimes I feel a little chubby. Need my Oreos. And I gotta have some detergent to wash. And we all gotta wipe our nalgas, plus brush our teeth, and we need some deodorant as well. And obviously, my mini-me has to watch his cartoons.
These, my friends, are dogs. I have to make sure I pay for them to eat. This, my friends, is a pool I have to pay maintenance for, and I have to get it cleaned once a week. That costs. Friends, I also have to pay for trash. That's a monthly bill. Oh, and recycling too. Starting to add up, isn't it?
Dog food, pricey, bro. And of course, I gotta look, I need the stove, and if I'm hot, if I'm cold, I need heat, I need the AC. It costs a lot. Plus, look, this is just sublimation, but imagine I do sublimation, DTF, I do eye color, vinyl, a bunch of things. It costs. Inks alone, it costs. And my son has to have toys. I gotta keep him entertained at all times.
This, my friends, is my car. I have to pay a monthly payment on this thing, plus insurance. And the last thing I gotta really put money and time into is him. He's gotta eat, he's gotta have clothes, he goes to daycare, preschool. And it takes quite a bit of money to support this guy. So as you can see, these are the things that I have to pay for. So when you're asking me for a discount or for something for free, understand why my answer is gonna be no. In the same way that you can pay to get your stuff done and resell that thing for 15, 20 bucks more than what you paid for, I'm not charging you that much when you think about it. Remember, I gotta eat too. Oh man, I almost forgot. One of the most important things is I got to pay my monthly phone bill. In order to shoot content just like this, in order to edit, I also have to pay for marketing. So I'm running ads, promotion, things like that. And that can't happen if I don't have the money to do so. So understand, just like you pay your bills and you have to pay your bills, so do we as entrepreneurs and small businesses. So next time you ask for a discount or for something for free, before you even ask that question, realize why it is we're not doing it anymore. Pay the crafter.